Welcome to the Ras Amicah show, Homeschool edition.
And what are you going to be doing today?
I'm going to make a volcano.
And what are your materials?
A plastic bottle, a paper, and baking soda, glue, a bowl, and measuring cups.
Okay, and what are you going to use to make the
And
color?
I'm going to use food coloring.
Okay.
We got the wrong food coloring.
Are we missing any ingredients?
You got a funnel. We're missing vinegar.
Yes. Okay, so we'll get the vinegar. All
I-
right, we'll be ready.
Welcome back. Step 1, making the shape of the volcano. First, we're going to use this tape and this brown paper.
Excellent.
Welcome to part 2. We finished making the shape of the volcano, and now we're going to mix the water and the glue to make the paper mache for the volcano. Welcome to part 3. We let the paper mache dry overnight. So now we're going to paint the paper mache to make it look like a real volcano.
So what colors do you have?
We have red, white, black, and yellow. And we're going to use these big foam brushes to paint it so that it doesn't take a lot of time.
Okay, sounds good. We'll be back.
Hi. So, we just finished painting it, and so I went outside and got some dirt, and now we're just sprinkling it on the volcano. We put some more paint on it so it can stick to it, and I'm just putting them on the insides to make it like a real volcano.
Very nice.
Welcome back. We finished making the volcano lava, and now it's time for the eruption. We have baking soda, dish soap, vinegar, and food color. When you combine baking soda and vinegar, it makes a gas called carbon dioxide.
Okay, and where are you going to put the food coloring?
In the vinegar.
All right, so go ahead and do that.
The 2 drops. 2 drops.
You can put more drops in there if you want. Okay.
And we're gonna mix the pink with the green, yellowish.
Just pull the top off. There you go. Couple drops. That's good. Alright, so use your funnel and you can put your baking soda in there. Is it close enough for you?
I'm gonna stand up.
Go ahead and use your hand to scoop it out.
Now I'm going to pour vinegar in the volcano to see the explosion.
Alright. A little bit at a time. Use the corner. Go ahead until you see it erupt. It's erupting.
It's small.
We have eruption.
And it's red and orange.
So again, what happened, Ross, with the baking soda and the vinegar? When you mix them together?
It makes it a gas called carbon dioxide.
All right, excellent experiment.
Look at it.
I see.
I want
Volcano still erupting.
Look, Mama, you did it.
Ross is creating more
And this one,
colorful vinegar.
this time it's gonna be just pink. And if I see,
Make it a different color. Make it like blue or something.
okay, blue and purple.
Sure.
No, that makes black.
Make sure it's going inside, not around the...
And try.
Hold it up
Huh?
high. Yeah, hold it up higher and pour. Alright, that's the baking soda slurry with a little bit of water and dish detergent. So we did a little bit of a different mixture. Alright, go ahead, put that down. You can do your... Make sure... Hold
It's
on.
good.
Okay.
Oh, my heart.
Whoa!
It's blue.
Blue lava.
It's huge.
Yeah, that was a good explosion.
Hey, fan's blowing it away.